Good morning. Alright, we have a test bolt here. This is a 19 millimeter, 20 millimeter bolt, and we've stuck it in pretty tight with these two nuts right here. So we stuck it in pretty good, and then we rounded off the edges right there. As you can see, it is pretty damaged. Right, I'll give you the full. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to secure this using this go-to socket here, and then after that I am going to remove it with another go-to socket. Alright, so here we go. First we're going to try the crescent wrench. Right? Okay. Alright, so first we're going to try the crescent wrench, okay? So here's the crescent wrench, and we're going to try to remove it. And as you can see, it's slipping right off. Whoa, no dice. Nothing. Alright. So next, we are going to try channel locks. Pliers. Nothing. It just scrapes off metal from the sides. And of course, here's your 20 millimeter socket. It just spins, basically. It catches a little bit and then it spins. Nothing. So now, let's try our new go-to socket with the teeth. Right? Let's see how that does. Alright. So here we go. Okay. So I got it onto the nut. I'm going to wiggle it a little bit, make sure to get the tightest fit I can by hand. It's always a good idea. Wiggle it a little bit, make sure you got the tightest position you can, and get it secure by hand first. Then I'm going to take a socket, or you can use a wrench, and tighten it even more. So I'm going to tighten this. We'll do 4 quarter turns. So 1 quarter turn. 2 quarter turn, 3 quarter turn, 4 quarter turns. Okay, so now that we have that tightened down pretty well, I am going to take my ratchet and get this out. Here we go. Something broke loose. Let's see. I need this camera so I could spin. it is spinning out. Here we go. And look at that. Came right out. And let's then take a closer look at the bolt head itself. 1 second, let me take this off. Let me get the bolt head loose. Oh, hold on. Whoops. That was dumb. Alright, so I'm loosening the socket. Taking it off. And it has a pretty good bite onto this. It has a pretty good bite onto this bolt head, so I gotta probably gonna have to bang it out. I'm gonna take a screwdriver, stick it in the back, get a hammer, bang that bolt head out, and we'll take a look at that bolt head. Alright, so there's the socket. Where did that bolt go? It just, oh, here we go. And here's the bolt head. So you'll see right there, you'll see the bite marks where the GO-2 dug in so it could get its grip. Look at that. Not too shabby. Here again is a close-up of that bolt. That's where the set screw, that surface right here, that's where that made its footprint, right? And then here, that's where the teeth sunk in on one side, and that's where the teeth sunk in on the other side. And it got this thing out pretty quick. Alright, so that's how the new 2019 GO-2 socket works. I think the teeth, it was a good idea, it was a good ad, and I hope it helps a lot of people out there. Thanks for watching.